Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One. What is the antonym for a pull? A. Push. B. Lug. C. Drag. D. Harsh. Two. What is the antonym for a light? A. Dark. B. Bright. C. Shiny. D. Sunny. Three. What is the antonym for praise? A. Adoration. B. Cheer. C. Acclaim. D. Blame. Four. What is the antonym for give? A. Take. B. Sell. C. Deliver. D. Present. Five. What is the antonym for a hot? A. Frigid. B. Warm. C. Boiling. D. Red. Six. What is the antonym for fail? A. Fall. B. Decline. C. Ascend. D. Break down. Seven. What is the antonym for old? A. Youthful. B. Aged. C. Tired. D. Elderly. Eight. What is the antonym for high? A. Lofty. B. Tall. C. Low. D. Giant. Nine. What is the antonym for reduce? A. Limit. B. Increase. C. Nasty. D. Expose. Ten. What is the antonym for good? A. Fall. B. Useful. C. Bad. D. Right. Eleven. What is the antonym for real? A. Actual. B. Certain. C. Original. D. Counterfeit. Twelve. What is the antonym for false? A. Deceitful. B. Accurate. C. Faulty. D. Distorted. .13. What is the antonym for dull? A. Dim. B. Dumb. C. Simple. D. Bright. (14) What is the antonym for exciting? A. Boring. B. Appealing. C. Impressive. D. Interesting. (15) What is the antonym for destroy? A. Consume. B. Crush. C. Damage. D. Construct. (16) What is the antonym for denied? A. Blocked. B. Banned. C. Allowed. D. Forbidden. (17) What is the antonym for start? A. Beginning. B. Kickoff. C. Opening. D. Conclusion. (18) What is the antonym for a busy? A. Idle. B. Active. C. Unavailable. D. Working. (19) What is the antonym for a different? A. Disparate. B. Contrasting. C. Distinctive. D. Alike. (20) What is the antonym for early? A. Fresh. B. Initial. C. New. D. Old. (21) What is the antonym for a poor? A. Rich. B. Destitute. C. Indigent. D. Low. (22) What is the antonym for a popular? A. Famous. B. Beloved. C. Attractive. D. Unknown. (23) What is the antonym for cold? A. Cool. B. Frigid. C. Icy. D. Warm. (24) What is the antonym for empty? A. Occupied. B. Deserted. C. Bare. D. Blank. (25) What is the antonym for similar? A. Akin. B. Related. C. Like. D. Alien.